Hey, thanks for checking out our video. For this year's annual man camping trip, we decided on a canoe route loop in the northeastern side of Killarney Provincial Park. For our first day on the water, we wanted to get in as many kilometers as we could to get us farther into the heart of Killarney. So in order to accomplish this, the group of us met up at some cheap motel a little closer to our access point, but we'd still have about a 3-hour drive in the morning to get there. We had a late night at the motel, catching up with each other, organizing our gear, portioning out our trail mix rations or gorp, and sharing a few laughs along the way.
You mean one of those a day? One of those a day? I think I might have to downsize.
We always usually bring too much, eat too much, and drink too much on these trips. It got down to about 4 degrees Celsius overnight, but the next few nights are supposed to be a little warmer for us. Our first day will have us traveling roughly 15.4 kilometers across 3 portages with a total distance of just over 1 kilometer of portaging. We started at the Bell Lake access, paddled through 3 Mile, Balsam, and Pike, spending our first night at Harry Lake. We took off early from the motel and reached Killarney Outfitters at the Bell Lake access point just before 11 a.m. We used them to rent our canoes and paddles and life jackets.
Got your paddling shot?
We've always liked Jeff's maps. We find the distances and times on the actual maps to be accurate for our canoeing ability. So that's how we generally plan out our routes for our trips.
Alright. We did it. Ain't so bad. Just a warm up. Started our day at Bell Lake access point at 10 to 12, and it's now 4:12, and we're at Harry Lake.
For our first night, we decided on steak and potatoes. One of our group members cut up the potatoes ahead of time along with some pepper, onion, and spices and pre-wrapped them in tin foil. While dinner was cooking over the fire, a few of us decided to head out in the canoes and try our hands at fishing.
First fish of the trip. Ready to come in now? What was this guy thinking?
Jumped out, and I was like, for a full 30 seconds, Brandon and Chris were hugging you. And
All in all, we had a great first day. The weather was great, fishing was good, food was delicious. We really hope you enjoyed our first day as much as we did. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the videos from the rest of our trip.